Yo, so last night I had an interview with Irish Times. It was really nice. We talked for about 45 minutes and he asked me all about my life and how I ended up in Thailand. It was beautiful. It was really, really nice. Hopefully he releases it soon. So today, what we're doing is we're taking my purse to go get fixed because I brought it brand new, but it seems to have some damage on it. Look at this. Check this out. You see this damage right here? Oh my goodness. I was so mad when I opened my new bag. It's okay. We're going to go get it fixed. So now I'm on the Siloam line going towards this bag repair shop called Bring It Back at Sapuan Taksin BTS station. So it's really nice because I think my boy, my newfound friend, Navy boy Stacy Martin, lives out here in Ratchadamri off this Siloam line. I never really take it. I only go this way whenever I'm going to Icon Siam. So it's really nice. So when I was talking to Pete from Irish Times, we were talking about things that make us uncomfortable or that we don't like about Thailand. I told him, number one, the heat, and number two, dudes flirting with me and checking me out, something I'm not used to until I came here to Thailand. It's nice, flattering, but I even told Pete that sometimes at malls here, boys and men who be checking in my wee-wee, I don't really like that. And Pete told me the same thing happened to him multiple times in Thailand. So hey guys, I don't know if it's just something that happens out in Asia or if men are just cool with checking and comparing, but that's not nice, y'all. Don't be looking at other people's wee-wee in the urinal. So I've just arrived at Sapan Taxi Siloam BTS station, and I just gotta say it's a lovely view from over here, but check this out, y'all. We got a fallen brother, a fallen pigeon. Can y'all see him? Look at this. That's a fallen pigeon, so RIP to the pigeon. You know, my other pigeon just lost his fight yesterday. That would be Mike Tyson, if y'all don't know. Took a dive for that Jake Paul fight, but wouldn't you do that? I mean, $20 million, I'd do the same. So I've hopped off the Sapuan Taxi BTS, like I said, but check out this little nice assortment of trees. And I was so confused. I'm like, what is this? Am I in Novi Sad, Serbia? That's honestly what this area reminds me of. I've never seen such a nice and beautiful area of Bangkok. I gotta go check it out. Why is this not being utilized? What's going on here? But we'll go. I see there's a gate and it's kind of open and there are some people in it. So we're just gonna take a little detour and see if we can find any beautiful places to sit down. So I found out what it is. It's the Department of Rural Roads. So we'll just take a little peek, see inside, see. So we gotta go. Look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful and quiet and nice it is. Oh my goodness. You never expect this to be in Siloam. Even though it is technically a governmental building area, it's very peaceful. Anyways, back to fixing my purse. It seems that I have found the business I was looking for. Bring It Back by Eakaphong Baggage Repair Services. I'm gonna ask them if I can take a clip inside. I'm gonna show them the damage on my bag and see if we can get it fixed. So hopefully they can repair my new purse. We'll see. So they took my bag to the back and they're gonna ask the technician if they can work on it. But here's the digs right here. Look at this. Very, very quaint, very, very high quality, very, very lovely. So look, I come to pick up my bag on Friday. Look at this. Then I'll give her a 5-star review when it's all finished. And we'll introduce the owner at the time too. She said, wait till Friday. Only 350 baht. If I was in America, that would be at least maybe $40, $50 USD just to repair this little nylon mess up here in my bag. So I'm really, really happy with the way everything turned out. And it is the best bag repair business in Bangkok. So I'll put a link in the description. You guys gotta come check it out. If they do a great job, I'll make sure to post an update. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me on my little purse excursion. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Love you. Bye.